Hi guys, so I'm back on Rohit NG Top Wandering Stallion. You can subscribe to me on YouTube and also you can listen to my karaoke on the Star Maker ID 621125095226. As I said, if I'm at home, I will be doing karaoke and saying something. So today I got a chance, I was wandering around, I went to the Buddhist monastery, just explored something, although I'm not that religious, but yeah, it was interesting. I went very close to the Buddha temple in Dehradun, so just visited that. Watched a few movies recently, Aankhon Ki Gustakiya, and I've been watching Malik movie. Aankhon Ki Gustakiya has got Vikrant Messi, and this Malik movie has got Rajkumar Rao. Both movies are quite different. True love, that's what they talk about. Now that's very good. The important thing about life is love is the very important thing in any relation. If you get married, the most important thing you look forward to is love. But there's a difference. One is the psycho love. Psycho love is like you have the person in your life, but you are crazily loving that person. That is also wrong. And one is dangerous love. What is a dangerous love for me, which I appreciate but I can't do it, which is the power of a one-sided love. I love someone, but that person loves someone else, and I'm going to spend my entire life without having anyone in my life, and I'm going to love that person equally honestly without any expectation that that person is with someone else. That is like a very dangerous love which deserves a legend like uh, salute. I can't do that. Yeah, but the one thing which matters to me is in any relation, being single, the day I get married, I will be only looking forward to is love. But it cannot be under the category of dangerous love. That is, I will love the person whatever be the situation, the other person doesn't love me, or I'll be crazily loving that person. I won't believe in both the theories. Love should be there, it should be a bit practical, but yeah, the feeling of love should be there inside the heart. You should feel that person. That's what it is. My parents having a very good time. Won't take much of the time. I will be singing one track, which is sometimes I too feel getting lost somewhere. So this is a simple track from the movie Three Idiot. Behti Hawa Sa Tha Wo, amazingly sung by Shan. So here I go. Hopefully get the karaoke right and no, don't get any fraud calls with me on my phone. बहती हवा सा था वो, उड़ती पतंग सा था वो, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो. La 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 la. Ra 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 ra. बहती हवा सा था वो, उड़ती पतंग सा था वो, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो. हमको तो राहें थी चलाती, वो खुद अपनी राह बनाता, गिरता संभलता मस्ती में चलता था वो. हमको कल की फिक्र सताती, वो बस आज का जश्न मनाता, हर लम्हे को खुल के जीता था वो. कहाँ से आया था वो, छूके हमारे दिल को, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो. I have a special affection towards pets. love this part. सुलगती धूप में छाओ के जैसे, रेगिस्तान में गाओ के जैसा, मन के घाव पे मरहम जैसा था वो। हम सहमे से रहते कुएं में, वो नदिया में गोते लगाता, उल्टी धारा चीर के तैरता था वो। बादल हमारा था वो, प्यार हमारा था वो, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो। हमको तो राहें थी चलाती, वो खुद अपनी राह बनाता, गिरता संभलता मस्ती में चलता था वो। हमको कल की फिक्र सताती, वो बस आज का जश्न मनाता, हर लम्हे को खुल के जीता था वो। कहाँ से आया था वो, छुके हमारे दिल को, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो। ला 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 रा 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 रा। यार हमारा था वो, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो। बहती हवा सा था वो, उड़ती पतंग सा था वो, कहाँ गया उसे ढूंढो. So if you like this track, subscribe to me on Rohit NG Tom, Wandering Stallion, amazingly sung by Shan. And of course, you can follow me on the Star Beacon MID 621125095526. Appreciate and salute the dangerous love and the psycho love, but I believe love should exist with some practicality. Have a nice day. Being single, another day. See you someday. Bye bye from my side, Rohit NG Tom, Wandering Stallion, and from my amazing pet. See you then. Bye bye.